How to enable mobile gaming option on TikTok Live. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You will find plus button at the bottom beside inbox and friends. Click on it. Then, beside post and templates, you will find live option. Click on it and then you will find all the live options pop up. Simply click on mobile gaming and then press on go live. You'll be able to go live in mobile gaming. If you don't have this option, what you can do is go to your profile, then click on three lines at the top right. Click on settings and privacy. Last option. In here, scroll down, click on report a problem. Then click on live. You'll find live below feed and playback. Then click on live game. After that, you'll find this options. Click on how to start a live game, which is the first option, and press on no at the bottom. Click on need more help. After you've clicked on need more help, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, type in I've noticed my mobile game isn't showing on my account. Can you help me troubleshoot or resolve this issue? TikTok will get back to you and solve your problem. Also, to go live, you will need more than 1,000 followers. And this is how to enable mobile gaming option on TikTok Live. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.